how to view appointments made by students for extra help or any event, honestly. I like to start from the course homepage, and then I like to move into the calendar view. It's over here on the left. Calendar. Before the school year starts, let's advance ahead to where some events exist. If you have multiple courses in Canvas, you can select just one here. Like, for instance, here's some other courses I have. Anyhow, I'm viewing my one course, and in the last video, I made an appointment for Tuesday, September 3rd to attend extra help. On the teacher side of things, I would like to pull up the roster of who has registered before kids start showing up. And there you go. Click on the event, and I can see that test student has registered and has asked me a question. Here, I can unregister them if I need to cancel at the last minute, for instance. I can message everybody who's registered, and that's how it's done.